All right, I'm at the Cellar Wine and Spirits, one of my favorite stores. You know, I've been kind of down. I kind of gonna probably repeat myself 10 times because I'm out of practice, but I got a good feeling about today's hunt. Let's see what's going on. All right, well, you guys know that I have been deathly ill for the last week, and this is the first time I came back, and I found out that there's something cool here, and they called me and said they had it, so I thought, well, you know what, I will check it out. So let's do a quick breeze through of what they normally have here. Probably one of my favorite stores here in Memphis. They see, there's the dates. You know, these are this time. I'm gonna do these a little bit. I think I did this last time. I did them, do them by rows. If there's anything in here you think I should get, I know all my friends are doing a bunch of Jeffersons right now. Not really. I don't think I've had any of the Jeffersons. Those bottles are too small for me. So, and then there's the Buffalo Trace, and there's some here. There's some of the Larceny. Lots of that. You know what's right there. I should pick some of that up. I make fun of it all the time. You think I'd do that and do a better job. Got some of the old Granddad down here. Kenna. And Sweeten. There's some Mictors. I got some of that coming. I'll be able to make an informed choice on that, which is going to be good. So, got a little bit of the Elijah Craig. Got the Knob Creek. That Baker 7, which I'm pretty sure is pretty good. Alright, let's see what else we got going on here. Gross. I don't care what Bourbon School says. You're not tricking me with their tricks, trying to get people to double rye and Pikesville. Yeah, I've got some ryes coming. A friend is sending them to me, and when he gets through sending them to me, I'm going to make a better decision about what's going on with the specific rye that I want to get here. All right, well, let's see here. They got the Cass, the Bottle of Bond, the rye, and I don't think, no, it's not the Founders. Can't have a liquor store without selling Fireball. I don't know why, but there's Kentucky Tavern. That's my daddy's whiskey. Now we get to go to the flavored stuff, some of it at least. All the moonshine you could possibly want. So, all right, let's see here. Still like this bottle. Not one person's ever said anything. There's 13 Colonies in the balcons. Blue Note. They've got a store pick here that is fantastic. I love the store pick. I think this Heaven Hill is another one that I'm going to be getting here before too long. Been drinking this Sazerac rye too. Nice for the price. Come to Memphis, you can come to the distillery. This is Old Dominic. Comes all the way down through here. I got Barrel. And there's Old Kirk, which somebody said, you know, I don't know. Willett has just burned me too much for me to try to even decide on that. I'll go over here to get the Old Smoky section here. Got the bananas and the honeys. Woodinville rye. I'd probably could be talked into getting this pretty easily, pretty quickly. So, let's see. Got a little bit of the Irish stuff here, which I like. And I got Smoke Wagon over here. I don't know why it's all the way over here, but I guess maybe the ball's tall. And then they got I've had this, which I've enjoyed. Most of the stuff from the Isle of Canada. So. And there's Ugly Dog. Alright, and I've been showing a little bit of tequila, and it seems like people have enjoyed it. So you guys tell me. I think I'm going to get the Lalo when I see it next time, probably. I'm going to go through here a little quick, but they do have a very large selection. I think most stores have more tequila than they do Scotch and some of the other stuff. So let's see here. I like that bottle. Feels like you're up to no good drinking out of that one. Juan Lobo. I think that means wolf. Casa Noble. I know my buddy Vic said he just fast forwards through that. Kind of hurts my feelings a little bit, but that's alright. I get it. Tequila is not for everybody. The boss. 21 seeds? Yeah, I don't know anything about tequila. Drank quite a bit in college. Alright, let's see here. I think you're gonna have, ooh, get a little too close over here. Gonna do a little bit of this and kind of see what's going on. Alright. Alright, let's take a look at what I really like. My favorite, the Scotch. I think that Bourbon Hunter got one of these. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's the sherry cast. I don't see one of these as being the sherry cast, but I think it was one of these. I've not tried any of these, but he seemed to enjoy it, which I like. Lagavulin, one of my favorites. There's more of the Irish whiskey, sorta, and then they kind of mix in with some of the Arbegs. That Arbeg 10 would be good to have. Alright, got monkey shoulder over here on the bottom. We got Cuddy Sark, black bottle. I like that. They know how to market, that's for sure. And these guys, which I had Breaker Drink sent me, I think this one, which I really enjoyed. Probably should buy that bottle. It's not really anywhere here in town. If I didn't have 2 bottles, I'd pick up another bottle. And the Jura 10 there. So, all right, well, let's go see what they've got allocated. I hear they might have something stupid cool. All right, well, here is their allocated stuff and kind of things I have over here on the side. Got the Woodford Reserve, Old Ezra, Little Book, and the granddaddy of them all. Oh my gosh, I never thought I'd see one of these in the real world. So, yeah. The ultimate unicorn. I've never seen one before, so here it is. So here are the prices on the other ones. You will have to call about the price on this one. Truly amazing. So yeah, I've never seen it before, so I don't even have any words to say. Just try not to drop it. All right, once again, they outdid themselves.